Today I was telling about how to share your result from Instagram poll. For that, we need to go to Instagram account, and here I was uh, conducting a poll. For that, I was going to stickers and clicking here. I was searching for poll. I was typing here poll, and I was clicking here, and here I was typing which is your favorite, which is your and here I was clicking typing the ox and Tom and Jerry. Second one option is Tom and Jerry. After that, I was clicking on done. I was putting a story. So after putting a story, wait for a few seconds. It was rolling, and here I was clicking here, and here I was typed on ox. Or after that, here we need to click on activity. You will see here. Here you will it have the activity. Click on that. After that, you will see the results of here you will see the results. You need to click on here share results. So mm, like this you can share your results to story or separately send to your message. And you need to, if you like to send any message to your friends means just like this you can send, or share results to our Instagram story means click on your activity share results, and like this you can share your Instagram results on Instagram story. Thank you. You can like this you can share this. Thank you.